this is Anjali here. Today I will be giving you a review on my first Fairy CG product, that is Curl Up product, and it is curly girl friendly, and this is also a budget friendly and Indian company. So here we have got the three products. This is the shampoo, this is one is conditioner, and this is a curl defining cream which I love a lot. So as we know, all these three products, they are 100% sulfate, silicone and paraben free. So coming to this curl moisturizing shampoo, as the name suggests, it actually gives your hair a moisturizer. Once you use it, your hair will not feel frizzy. And the second one is the conditioner. It is very slippery and it actually controls the frizz. And the third one is a curl defining cream. Oh god, as I told you, I just love this product and it's been like 1 month I'm using it. Like, it's my savior. Seriously, it's my savior. And also defined my curls, and you can see it adds shines to my hair. So now I will show you my routine, that how I apply this product, and hope you will like it. Thank you.
I prefer detangling before the shampoo for easy going process. And I'm not using any comb. I simply detangling with my fingers only. Here comes the second step, that is shampoo. I really love the shampoo. Even without having sulfate, it removes my all dirt buildup properly. It's better if you dilute the shampoo and wash. I prefer to keep it for a few minutes, then I go for washing my hair. Now comes the conditioner. I will be applying conditioner in praying hand motion and mainly in the ends, and don't forget to put the conditioner on back of your hair. And I prefer to detangle with the white comb, as conditioner give me a very good sleep. So it's easy to detangle in this step and helps me to spread out the conditioner evenly everywhere, and will be keeping it for 5 minutes in my shower cap. Now comes Curl Up cream. It has flaxseed extract that works as a gel. So it's like a combination of both cream and gel. I'm using it in praying hand motion, and I love to apply water while applying cream or gel. It helps me with styling and moisturizing my curls. Just make sure the hair should be dripping wet, and here I'm using the scrunching method. I will try to cover all the methods for styling the hair in my next video. Scrunching will set my curls in place and will soften my dry curl. And now I will be plopping my hair using the microfiber towel, or else you can use a cotton t-shirt. I will be leaving it for 30 minutes before taking my hair out to air dry, or you can even use diffuser. This is how my hair look finally. I would say go for this product. It's awesome. It moisturizes my hair really well and definition stays little longer. And the nice thing about this product is that it's within the budget and nice fragrance and doesn't weigh down my hair at all. So if you like it, follow my Instagram ID, that is curlydentist2020, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.